When it comes to YouTube, I always tell people it's more about content than it is about amazing production value. But to be honest with you, you can tell that story on YouTube even with an iPhone if you don't have the money to buy expensive gear. Recently, I just went back to a Panasonic Lumix G85, and the reason I switched back to that was really the interchangeable lenses. For me as a filmmaker, I wanted to be able to switch back to a wide angle lens or do snap focuses or zoom in quickly, and it was something I just couldn't achieve with the Canon G7X Mark II. But that doesn't mean that you have to use that. Again, it's more about the content when it comes to YouTube.
So I do use a Canon DSLR at home for my sit-down videos, and I have a ring light and a nice lens for those as well. But then I go on vacation and I go to events and I take my G7X with me. It's really convenient because it's small and it has the flip screen, so if you want to take a video of yourself, it's like that.
You know, don't think that you have to have a $1,000 or $5,000 camera to be a great YouTuber. But one thing that I always say that's more important than anything is the audio. So if you're gonna put some money into a piece of equipment, put it into a decent mic that has a dead cat on it, so when you're out in the wind, you're not getting all of that wind sound. Or get a lav mic or you know, a Zoom recorder, whatever it might be that fits your need. Just, you know, make your production relatively simple. Don't go crazy. You don't need something that's $5,000. You can do it, but remember, content is key.